is Arlene Watts, aka Dora. This is my husband Wade Watts, who I call Bots or Lalab. Together, we are What's Out There. Join us for some fun with our past, present, and future adventure as we explore Canada, the Philippines, and the world. We have been around the world many times as traveling is not only our passion, it is a part of the outdoor adventure accessibility work we do together with our business, helping make Canada and the world a little more accessible to all and having some awesome adventures as we go. In this episode, after years of my husband wishing me to learn fly his pricey Autel Robotics drone and me being afraid to crash, I decided to spread my wings by buying my very own Autel Robotics Nano Plus drone and becoming a licensed pilot with his help. Hope you enjoy my first and second flights ever in my life. Voila!
Get your license. Anybody watching this, I have been trying for 4 years now to get my wife to fly my drones, but she won't because she says they're too big and expensive. That's what she said. So she said, I'd like to have my own nano drone so I can learn how to fly.
It's in the box, in the case. It's the Nano Plus.
Everything fits in that case.
Yes.
That's cool.
And I don't need your car
My
here.
remote control won't even fit in that case.
Yeah. It's fun. So the way the case is. This is the thing. And this is the cutest one.
It's literally a mini-me of my drone. Hi everybody, here we are at the Mamerton Mine. Arlene's here to try out her very first flight, the very first time she's going to fly her new drone. As you can see, the bottom case there, that's my drone. And that little top case Arlene put on, that's her, what I call the mini-me of my drone, because it looks like my drone. It's just a micro version of my drone. Anyway, she's going to take it out, and we're going to start her on her first flight. Take it away, Arlene.
It's a perfect day to try out my new Nano Autel Plus drone. I need to use your drone case.
Yeah, you can use the case, use it as a launching pad if you want.
So I need to get my drone now. And this is first time to try out and I'm so excited and I am a bit scared. Because it's been 4 years my husband trying to force me or want me to fly his drone, but I don't want his drone because it's very expensive. So that's the reason I don't want to fly his drone. As you see, if I open this case, you will see why I'm not flying his drone. Because it's really expensive and it's scary. As you see. And that's his drone. And I don't want to fly that big boy. It's really scared.
I have been trying, trust me. Telling her it's the reason it's expensive is because it's one of the easiest drones in the world to fly. But I understand. She's got her own little drone, and that's how I started actually, was with a small little drone. But they have come so far and they are so advanced now that it's hard to believe that that little drone, other than strong winds and a few other things, but it can pretty much do everything my expensive drone can do. I mean, I can fly in a lot higher wind and my batteries last a lot longer, but most drone flights only last 15 minutes anyway. So What are you doing there?
I'm putting the cord. Oh, why I not yet turning anyone. I'm putting the cord to connect my phone. And I need to remove. So I need to open my.
Well, first you need to turn on the remote.
Yes.
You need to put the sticks in your controller because you don't have the sticks in there, so you can control it.
Yeah.
And then it's, I think if I remember correctly, it was turn on the remote, turn on your Autel Sky app, and then turn on the drone.
Yes. So I need to put the navi, as they said. So I'm learning a lot this one, and then I need to go in my sky now. That's this auto sky. There we go. So you need to stop.
Aircraft disconnected.
Okay, so now it's time to get this bad boy. This is the propeller locking.
Yep, that's so you can shove it in your pocket or wherever you want.
I need to remove
I wish my drone had.
the lens cover or the camera cover, and I need to open it. Sure, no, I will make his drone case as a landing.
Initializing aircraft attitude. Please take off later.
Okay, safe to fly.
There you go. Yeah, it says there for your drone. Mine does it real quick, but your drone it says 30 seconds.
So,
Now here, let me back up so I can.
yeah, two.
You can just hit the lift off automatic button on your phone,
Yeah.
and it'll just lift off 4 feet and stay there and stay straight, just like that. Okay, and it'll just, you don't have to do nothing. It'll just stay there. Now you can get your bearings, and that's up.
Yeah.
Yep. What are you trying to do? Just tell me and I can help you.
I'm trying to.
Come down?
No.
No.
I'm trying to put in a one, so I can go one picture.
Okay. And you see that circle on your left-hand side on your phone?
Yeah.
That's telling you how far away the drone is from you.
Yeah.
And as you come closer, it'll tell you, and then it'll give you your height to the ground. And if you click on the map picture, it'll show you exactly where your drone is.
I go so high
See, you've been paying attention when I've been flying.
Yeah, for sure.
You're actually, for a beginner, you're actually good at this. You know where your drone is right now?
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't.
I see it now. How to backward? I love that. Bye, Lolo. Hello.
I was just telling you, you're getting close to that tree, but you're still meters away. Remember what I told you? Yellow is nothing. It's just a warning. Okay, you want to learn to land? Okay, point that camera straight down. Remember how I told you with that knob on the left-hand side? It is. It's telling you that you're going to land, hun. And here we go, Arlene's first landing of her new drone. And she's going to attempt to land it on top of where she took it off. Not by using the automatic return buttons, but all by herself. You can rotate the drone towards me some, hun. A little bit more. There you go. Now you can land. There you go. Land it. Straight down on the buttons, hun. Straight down. Don't touch anything else. Just straight down. Yay, your first landing. Here we are. Arlene's flying her drone. Gonna get it up there. My drone's already in the air, as you can see right there. And Arlene's gonna launch hers. Hers takes a little bit longer. It's gonna hook up the satellites and all the other stuff. As quickly as mine. So yeah, so there's the difference between the controllers. My controller. That's Arlene's controller. Okay, so you can hit launch if you want. You can hit launch. There's the two drones. Fly yours beside mine, hun, so you just go forward. Well, there we are, Arlene's very first drone flight. And as you can see, it was very successful. She took off, landed no problem, flew out over the water. In fact, I can obviously tell that she was paying attention to me and she learned a lot because she was awesome. Well, here we are. It's Arlene's second day learning how to fly her drone. She did really good yesterday, but now today's the day to learn all the tricks and learn some of the stuff that her drone is capable of. And so now she's going to take off. And that's her manually taking off. That's no longer using the computer. here's Arlene, her second time out, learning how to maneuver and use her new drone. There she is right there. Turn your remote off, though. Make sure your batteries are not connected and the drone won't start up accidentally. There, how was that, babe?
Awesome.
You like your new drone? What do you think of Autel Robotics? Hey, now you know why I fly only Autel Robotics with my business. The best commercial drones that money can buy. They're great, they work, they do what they say they're going to do. And you can see my wife never having flown a drone ever in her life before. I mean, yeah, she's watched me, but look at how amazing she did. So we both highly recommend the Autel Nano Plus for beginners and for good photography. Great camera. What do you think of the camera?
It's nice.
Hey, those pictures we took yesterday, they turned out beautiful, didn't they? So anyway, so yeah, Arlene has now officially been through 6 batteries on her brand new Autel Nano Plus, and you can see by the smile on her face, she's lucky, and I'm the lucky guy because I get to fly drones, and something my wife is loving now. So that makes me very happy because we definitely have something to do when we're bored now, eh? Anyways, say bye to everybody.
Bye, guys.